Once upon a time, a colorful little parrot named Piko lived happily in a big tree with her mama. One sunny morning, Piko flew off to explore but went too far and soon got lost in the big, noisy city. She perched nervously on a lamppost, looking around at the unfamiliar sights. Where's my tree? Where's Mama? She chirped sadly. Just then, a kind boy named Ali spotted her. He walked up slowly and asked, "Are you lost, little parrot?" Piku nodded, her eyes wide. "Yes, I miss my mom." Ali gently offered her some seeds to help her feel better. Then he quickly called the animal helper center to ask for help. A little while later, the helpers arrived, and with them came Mama Parrot, flapping her wings with joy. "My Piku," she cried, hugging her with her wings. Ali smiled as Piku chirped happily and waved her teeny wing goodbye before flying home with her mama. So, the moral of the story is, even the smallest act of kindness, like helping someone lost, can bring great happiness.